is muscle contraction, and my name is Whitney. An action potential arrives at the axon terminal that and triggers the calcium channels into the axon terminal to open. Calcium entry triggers exostosis of synaptic vesicles. Synaptic vesicles release the ACH into the synaptic cleft. ACH binds to the gated ion channels in the motor end plate, which is right there. Yeah. Ion channels open and potassium enters the muscle fiber. Entry of the potassium depolarizes the sarcomere locally, producing an end plate potential. The end plate potential stimulates an action potential. The action potential is propagated down the T-tubules. The T-tubule depolarizes leads to the opening of the calcium ion channels in the cytoplasmic reticulum, the smoothie yard, and calcium ions enter the cytosol, which is right there, guys. Sorry. Calcium ions binds to the troponin. Trypomycin moves in the active sites of the axon are exposed. ATP hydrolyzes, like COX, the myosin head. The myosin head binds to actin. The power stroke occurs when the prospect detaches. So it detaches from the myosin head and myosin pulls actin toward the center of the sarcomere. ADP leaves the myosin head at the end of the power stroke. ATP breaks the attachment of the myosin to actin. Actocyaline degrades the remaining ACH and the final repetition occurs. The sarcomere returns to its resting membrane potential and calcium ion channels in the CR closes. Calcium ions are pumped back into the SR, returning the calcium ion concentration in the cytosol to its resting level, and then troponin shifts and pulls back trypomyosin back into position to block the active sites and actin in the muscle releases.